study, okay? Alright, my students, today we want to discuss this special from our topic this morning. This is talk about the gravity. Okay, alright? I think in our daily life, yeah, we look the gravity in our place, yes? Okay, this is the special from the meaning about the gravity, okay? I wanna ask you, what is the meaning about the gravity? Okay, let's go on here.
Graffiti art is a form of artist that is drawing, painted, and spraying on walls in public space. It is usually colored choice. Jadi seni graffiti tertulis biasanya dilukis, digambar, dan disebarkan pada dinding di tempat tertulis. Itu biasanya sudah menggambar habis dan biasanya ini ilegal sekali dilakukan oleh anak-anak yang cenderung tidak baik karena yang dilukis pada dinding.
Okay, alright, yes, yeah, of course, yes, very good. Okay, alright, thank you so much for your opinion, yeah. Okay, so now we want to continue about this here, yes. What is the graffiti art? Okay, graffiti art refers to art that has been painted, drawn, or stenciled on walls or in a public space because of the size of these rocks. Okay, I think you know about the art. What is that? Ya, dalam bahasa Indonesia itu adalah apa dia? Adalah seni. Okay, I think everyone like about the area like this. Maybe a music. Yes, you like music? Yes, of course, yeah. I think you really like about this here. I think. And how about you, Ari? Do you like to drawing maybe something? Yes, of course. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is about the meaning. The public yet is in here. What is the graffiti art? Okay, and then we continue. This is about the history. Okay, history. You know about the history? Sejarah. Yeah. Okay. You can see this different form of graffiti have existed since ancient times, but graffiti art, as we know, in gained popularity in New York. Okay. Look at the girl with the heart of balloon. Okay, this is about this. Here's the picture. Want to try really what is the meaning of the picture? Can you give the opinion and I will. Linda, will you try? Yeah, let's go.
Menurut saya gambar tersebut mencerminkan emosi.
Oh, the emosi. Okay, alright.
Yaitu love and all. I think adalah perasaan atau kasih sayang yang mendalam pada seseorang. And hope adalah form of trust terhadap seseorang yang sudah
Jadi saya akan nanti at least maybe your teacher trust you ya to do something ya in this class. Okay, or maybe you love your mother, yes. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is from the girl. And then how about you, Ari?
I think the woman in this picture seems to want love that free like a butterfly, not tied up like a balloon. Jadi dia itu seperti menginginkan cinta yang bebas, bukan terikat seperti balon yang ada di gambar.
Oh, oke. Sudah terikat dulu ya. Berarti kamu sudah menemukan cintamu? Oh, belum ya. Berarti belum terikat. Kalau terikat, kalau dia sudah ada janji sucinya dalam Tuhan, ya kan? Nah, itu yang terikat ya. Sepertinya kami sudah pacaran, itu belum terikat ya. Ya, belum ada janji sucinya. Okay, alright. I think this is talk about the meaning about what is the hope and love. Okay, this is talk about the history. Yeah, I think everyone have the history for their life. Yeah. Okay. Next, this is talk about the culture. Culture in Indonesia, what is that? Budaya. Yes, of course, budaya. Yeah. Like this maybe Toba. Yes. Muslim. Yeah, I think have the culture. Yes. Indonesia maybe Muslim and Batak. Yeah. This is special for the class one Batak. And you Cherry? Yes, Batak. Batak Toba Simalungun? Oh, Simalungun. Different Tunisia and the Batak Toba, yes? Not Simalungun. Okay, alright. And then this is about the culture. Graffiti art has been
kultur budaya dan hubungan budaya dengan David as media.
Pardon, coba ulangi. Siapa?
Graphic art has been used over the years to express important culture themes and share meaningful messages.
Yes. And then this is picture. I think this is talk about this is a woman, yeah? Woman or boy? This girl or boy? I think this is girl, yeah? Is stress or not? Oh yes, stressful, yes. Stressful because maybe have a many homework for your teacher, yeah, maybe like this, yes. Stressful, yeah, or broken heart, maybe from your family or your boyfriend or girlfriend, yeah. Okay, alright, then we continue. This is culture and gravity and the law. Okay, gravity is considered illegal when it is created without permission. Why this is said about this here? You know about what is the statement about this here? Okay, what is that to try? Gravity and the law. Most heirs seek permission from property owners and local council or the commission to write on the wall. Okay, want to try? Give the opinion about this? Really? Yeah, really.
Tanpa izin dianggap sebagai tindakan vandalisme dan pelanggaran hukum. However, this mean artistic expression is forbidden. Artists can still express themselves freely as long as it is done in designated areas seperti grafiti legal atau setelah mendapatkan izin resmi dari pemilik properti atau pemerintah setempat. Seni yang legal menghormati masyarakat dan memastikan karya tersebut tetap terjaga.
Okay, alright. Thank you. Okay, alright. And this about our class, okay? You can see on the here level, yeah? Okay. Ya, coba dari yang ada taplak mejanya, ya kan? Nah ini gambar-gambar. Ini juga condition ya. Jadi dia itu tidak permisi. Di sini kan tempatnya no, yes. This is not please. You want maybe to growing, yeah, to fair, yeah, this different. Okay. I think this is current the error will last longer and want to be painted over. Yes, you have the commission to paint on the wall. Okay. Okay, this is about gravity and the law. And the next about the noteworthy artist. Okay, this is something of people like this about the Banksy. Okay, have you know about the Banksy? In English, best street artist whose identity is unknown. Okay, he is famous for the stencil graffiti with a political message, particular about war. Okay, look at about the example. This is what might the message would be of the graffiti at work. Okay, want to try it? Give the opinion and idea about the Banksy. Ini siapa yang mau coba? Oh ya, oke. Bisa mau diambil ya? Ini kita nampak mesti gini ya. Ayo, let's go. It's your idea.
Saya karya The Flower mempunyai makna yang dalam tentang orang dalam gambar itu kelihatan seperti mau melempar bom, padahal yang dia lempar justru a flower. This symbolizes the change and revolution that always need feel like we can feel for just make with love and dialogue. Jadi pesannya, kalau kita mau mengubah dunia, lebih baik kita gunakan cara damai daripada kekerasan.
Oh, okay, alright. Thank you very much. Give your attention. Yeah. Like this, maybe the problem of Indonesia. Yeah. This is how the political message particular ya. Mungkin hari ini lagi viral banget tentang demo ya, BBG ya. Oke, yang pasti itu mirip dengan yang kamu sampaikan ya. Bagaimana pesannya adalah mungkin kalau lihat gambar ini apa yang kamu pikirkan? Bisa aja dia kayak kekerasan nggak? Kekerasan ya. Tapi bisa kita miningkan, oh enggak, dia lempar bunga. Bisa aja keras tapi miningnya sebenarnya artinya itu so beautiful ya. Ada dia makna yang tersembunyi di balik dia sampaikan ya. Bisa famous, bisa famous. Okay, alright. The next about the noteworthy artist. Okay, the Keith Haring. Okay, you can see in this picture. This is Lisa from the someone Kate the herring. Okay. Okay, give the message from this Rahmida. Okay, Rahmida.
The message of this community award is about love, unity, and caring for others. Pesan dari kaligrafi ini adalah tentang persatuan dan kepedulian terhadap sesama.
Iya, kepedulian. Oke, peduli apa? Peduli bahasa Inggrisnya adalah caring ya, caring ya, ya. Karena dia bisa peduli ya, because this is a focus about the community. Kalau dia yaitu komunitas tentang kesehatan ya, komunitas sehat ya, dia fokusnya ini. Oke, this is Kate Harry. Okay, alright, and the next this is about like use your clothes ya. Jadi mungkin pakaian yang kamu pakai ya, kita bisa melihat ini mungkin di setiap hari for our clothes ya. Like this use in here. The reason in this are wrong are for inclusive. Okay, networking location. I think this is picture have the meaningful ya. Ini punya gambar yang sangat penuh ada artinya ya. Want to try? Oh ya, let's go.
Menurut pendapat saya, karya seni yang beragam itu important karena menampilkan banyak gaya, budaya, dan perspektif. So everyone feel represented dan dihargai. Contohnya, Esai Galeri David. Tembok sepanjang 1.300 meter yang dilukis oleh 118 seniman dari berbagai negara. What was considered as symbol of dan sekarang berubah dari tempat dengan pesona dalam that everyone can understand. Jadi, the skill of art can really represent the same message.
This is it. And thank you so much for your permission for this picture ya. As you know about this, it is former Berlin Wall ya. It is yeah, you can see about this here. It is a so long ya. Okay. And then this is like this place.
Izin ibu, lampunya lupa maaf. Dinda, besok.
Okay, alright. The next yes, this is about the Fossil Lane in Melbourne. Okay, have you gone about in Melbourne? Pernah nggak ke Melbourne? Okay, yes, yeah. Okay, this is only commission artists are permitted to paint there. Okay, commission. I didn't know what is the meaning about the commission to pay give the money. Yeah, it's here. Okay, want to try what is the picture? I think this is so many. Yeah, drawing in the back. I think not worthy. I still want to try give the opinion about this. Yeah, Najura. Let's go, Najura.
I think the picture is very interesting, and the picture also explains about Hostelland in Melbourne, which is a location that is a quite famous for its street art. Jadi Miss, gambar ini tuh menjelaskan tentang Hostelland yang di Melbourne, yang dimana menjadi salah satu lokasi yang cukup terkenal dengan seni romantis.
Terkenal ya. Ini the next picture ya. Kita suatu saat akan pergi ke sini ya. Juga sih ya. Do you like this? Do you like this picture? Ya, dia tidak nggak? Kamu suka gambar ini ya? Oke, alright. Okay, so let's collaborate, and then now we want to the presentation about your dialogue. Yeah, I have enough to give about the one group. Yeah, this is our third group. And then to continue to give your idea and opinion and the school will challenge. Okay. And then you have the thing from the picture, okay? This is for a presentation from the team, yes? I don't know, maybe the first time to want to presentation from our friends who is in our class, group 2, okay? You try? So let's come here to class with your friends.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today our group will discuss one of the murals shown in the picture. We choose this picture entitled Love is All.
artwork also encourage students to stay creative and believe in their abilities. Jadi karya seni ini juga mendorong siswa untuk tetap kreatif dan percaya pada kemampuan mereka sendiri.
Another interesting point is the design. In the book, it is simple, that has a deep meaning and artistical attention.
Overall, this wall art teaches us about freedom, motivation, and never giving up on our goals. Thank you for the good. We think that's all from by group 3. Thank you guys.
Ayo, thank you. Dari namanya apa? Nama apa?
Sepeda
Oh, sepeda. Baik, tadi seperti biasa. Kebebasan dalam bermimpi, gitu ya. We have to keep doing that the next picture. Okay, thank you so much. Any questions so far for this group? Ada mau tanya untuk group ini? Nanti? Nanti. Okay, thank you so much. Sit down, please. And the last group. This first group, yaitu dari group pertama. Ini favorit kalian ini ya.
Menurut saya, gambar ini tentang sebuah transformasi yang sedang menjadi cinta. Sebaik orang di bawah baju ini hati itu benar-benar mencuri perhatian saya. Ini itu bukan sekedar hujan, ini sebuah perasaan yang sedang dibawa. Warna latar birunya memberikan kesan sekaligus sedikit misteri. Perhatikan bagaimana warna yang berwarna-warni warna itu kontras dengan bayangan di bawahnya. Ini seperti menggambarkan seseorang yang sedang terlibat di tengah kesunyian. Setuju, bayangan ini merasa terbantu dibandingkan karya-karya di luar. Kira-kira apa maksud dalam menunjukkan yang melayang di bagian atas meja? Efek tabur di latar belakang memberikan kesan depth yang luas. Sepertinya senimannya ingin kita merasakan the emotion, bukan sekadar melihat gambar saja. Aku suka bagaimana cahaya seolah-olah memancar dari senter gambar tersebut. Gambar ini yang paling membuatku berhenti lama untuk saya susun. Aku merasa tidak gambarnya seperti yang berkembang